Hey guys, it's Housewife in Heels, and do we have 3 kitties today? Well, the reason why I have this kitty, Tiny Tiger, in my arms is because this is my explanation as to why I've been away. He had a very major surgery that he just barely recovered from, so it's safe for me to hold him now, but he had to have a kidney removed, and he needed extra tending to because he's a little rascal. So we just wanted to say thank you guys for being so understanding. He got very well taken care of, especially by his grandma who doted over him. So I'm sure my mom will be tickled to hear that. But sorry we've been away, and we hope that you guys are understanding. And we also hope this unboxing makes up for it. So, sorry, Tiny, you're gonna have to go down. Say bye. Okay. Oh, he's unhappy about that. Now, the meat and potatoes of this video. We have a pair of Gianvito Rossi sandals, the Metropolis sandals that were so kindly gifted to me by one of my subscribers. I am always so overwhelmed at your guys' generosity, especially we've had like 4 unboxings I think lately, all due to your generosity. So I'm always so over the moon, so taken aback by how just amazing and generous you guys are. But now let's go ahead and open these up and take a peek at them, shall we? Hopefully no cats cause any sort of interruptions. We get 1 dust bag. Usually I'd like to ask for 2, but that's okay. These aren't really particularly delicate kind of shoes. So let's say I do travel with them and I have to use the single dust bag, that's fine. But if worse comes to worse, I have 1,000,001 dust bags, so I think we'll be all right. Now let's go ahead and set this box down, hopefully away from a cat. So hopefully no one gets in it. Now, these are a 105 heel in the color Smoke, and it's a very thinly tinted sort of Plexi sandal, and all over Plexi you can kind of see just how much skin it will actually show through. And of course I will always do the try on so you can see exactly how they look on the foot. But overall, a very pretty, very sleek shoe. They sort of remind me of the Louboutin Rosalie, except in a Plexi, which I'm hoping one day on my wish list I have that Rosalie. I think it looks amazing. But these will have to make do for now, and they are just as pretty. And I'm hoping this Plexi will be just as comfortable, if not more, because the Plexi shoes that I have worn in the past, whether they're Gianvito Rossi, Louboutin, or whatever the case may be, has tended to be very comfortable. So if you're someone who's on the market for a very comfortable higher end sandal, then maybe these will be it for you. Now, we already have a cat playing in the box, but let's go ahead and get the other one out so that way you guys can actually see both of these. Why is the one? There we go. Now, if you are watching this and you are inquiring about sizing, then you're first going to have to determine what is the shape of your foot. Do you have a foot with an average width, a wide width, or a narrow width? Now, I have a narrow width foot, so my true to size is a 36, and these are a 36. If you have a narrow foot, just stick true to your size. If you're a 36 like me, then a 36 is probably going to work out for you. If you have an average foot, like say an average width, then you're probably going to want to go for a half size. So your true to size is 36, up a 36 and a half. If you have a wider foot, I would caution you not to get these because there isn't a terrible amount of give. There isn't a lot of forgiveness or freedom of movement. It's not like these are leather and they're gonna stretch on you. So I would say avoid it. But if you're someone who has your heart set on it and you have a wider foot, then you're going to want to go up a whole size. So if you are a 36, then you're going to want to go up to a 37, perhaps even a 37.5. It's not completely unheard of in the designer footwear world, where people with wider feet have to go up a lot in order to have the shoe accommodate their feet. Now, do these come in lower heel pitches? Not that I'm aware of, but they do come in different colors. I remember vividly seeing a sort of peachy nude version of these. Don't remember the color name off the top of my head. I think I've seen these in a red and a green, if memory serves me right. Now, I could be totally just making stuff up, but I do know that they came in more colors than this. This just happened to be my favorite, and how that subscriber who purchased these for me knew that, I don't know. Probably just looking at my collection, which is vastly black, but I'm working on correcting that. Now, I am hoping that these will be comfortable. I don't totally know that for sure. I'm assuming they are because I've never really had issue with Plexi before. I have heard of people having issues with it sort of digging on them, like sort of, I don't know, cutting into the skin. We shall see if that's my issue, but I think that will about do it for this unboxing. Hopefully you appreciated seeing Tiny Tiger, and if you have not already, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my Patreon. It is only $3 a month starting out. And if you would like to support me for free on TikTok, follow me on there. I am trying to hit 10,000 followers for obvious reasons. Or if you would like something tangible from me, then I have my Poshmark closet link down below where I handle each and every sale on there. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will get into the try-on. Bye!